Hello friends, I am Ranjita and you are watching Indian English by Ranjita. So friends, today I want to share how to means people say that I want to become a fluent speaker, fluent English speaker, but how? So I want to tell you my story. I was a beginner. In beginning time, I was very confused how to start, how to say in English, how to think in English, how to write, how to read. I didn't know anything, and I didn't know anything. Then I started from tenses, like tenses wise sentences I was doing, and then I read some books. Okay, so that way I was practicing. Reading practice is a must, because when we read, so we can get words, means how to pronounce that and how to read properly, because without reading practice we can't get anything. In my school days I was not able to read properly, means our lesson, and even I can't means I didn't understand properly. So first I started from from reading practice, some words then I get, and after that uh, I make sentence. Okay, so after that I started listening practice also very good, because when I started my tenses basis sentences, that time I thought that only I if I master in tenses, then I can speak easily. So I thought that that activity I do, then I will be fluent. But only tenses, if we do so we can't able to speak. Okay, then I had started listening practice, because many people say that listening practice is very important for fluency. Then I started my listening practice. Then I got more vocabulary. I got more words without using tenses. Then I got yeah, we I can speak, but it's also not work. Means I want to say that if you want to get fluency, so you have to speak more, means speak and speak and speak, means practice and practice and practice. Only practice can make you fluent, because when I started speaking practice, it's been 7 months ago I have started my speaking practice. So that time also I was not able to utter a single sentence. Before that I was listening, and I was reading, and I was writing sometimes. So it is a good, but not get, you can't get fluency without speaking. So you have to speak and speak. You have to be patient and be consistent, and you have to be speak and speak. Only speak can make you fluent, because learning English is takes more time, and you should enjoy your process, means English process. So if you want to read, so you can read. If you want to listen, so you can listen. If you don't want to listen and read, so you can watch any movies, whatever you want, whatever you enjoy, so you can do that. Because it takes more time, so sometimes we feel bored, sometimes we feel tired. So if you don't enjoy, so you can't able to speak, means you can't able to learn. So you should enjoy the process, and you should speak more and more, then you can get fluency. And if you want to speak with me, if you want to practice with me, so follow me, and thanks for watching.